Hi Lisa, this is Allison. Hopefully you can hear me, but this is my part of the presentation for of mine and Tyler's for Impressionism. Impressionism is considered the first of the modern arts movement. Impressionists developed interest in subjects that was current, such as the social life of Paris and its surroundings, and Impressionists were focused on capturing the features of nature. The realist and the French realist. Realism emerged in the aftermath of the Revolution in 1848, and it developed during the period of the Second Empire under Napoleon III. Realists democratized they democratized art by depicting people from the working class doing everyday things. And then that's Tyler's. One of the paintings that came through this was The Desperate Man. It was painted by Gustave Courbet in 1843. It's oil on canvas and it's a self-portrait of himself. Another one by Gustave Courbet is a burial at Orleans. It's 10 foot by 22 foot, and it was painted in 1849 to 1850. It depicts the burial of his great uncle, and the people painted in it are people who were actually at the burial. And then The Gleaners was painted by Jean Froissart Millet in 1857. It's oil and canvas, and it shows an honest depiction of rural poverty. The bent poses and the heavy application of paint that he applied emphasized the hardship of the task that the women were going through. And then this one was painted by Claude Monet. It's called Stacks of Wheat, The End of Summer. It was painted in 1891. It's oil and canvas, and it's about 23 by 39 inches, and it's at the Art Institute at Chicago. And then another one by Monet is Water Lilies and Japanese Bridge. It was painted in 1899. It's an oil and canvas, and it represented Monet's two passions: his gardens, and the paintings inspired by his gardens. And then I think the rest of this is Tyler's, so he'll get that to you.